So yeah, I'm still sitting here in Brighton, Colorado at Transwest at the repair shop. We got the truck in yesterday morning and said it was a knock sensor, said it'd only take about 4.5 hours. Just, I don't know, I'm not a mechanic. Also, I've never ran into a knock sensor replacement, so I'm gonna just take them at their word. 4.5 hours, something in like 5 hours. Well, I waited outside because I have my dog with me and they don't let dogs inside, which fine. So waited outside under their little metal pavilion that conducts heat but offers a little bit of shade, and for 9.5 hours. 9.5 hours, no communication. Asked them, hey, what's going on? Oh, we'll check. Come out, waited. Finally I went in and I told him, I'm like, look, I need some kind of information. I need to know what to tell my customers, right? Because I'm in the household, I'm moving and had all my labor lined out and everything like that. The guy comes back and tells me that the technician left. How long? I don't know. But I'm still currently here. Had to stay the night here in a truck that's not running. All they had to do is do the regen and clear the codes, and that should only take an hour. And they were supposed to start at 6 a.m. but apparently they gave me the laziest technician in the world because he's not arriving until 9, and company policy states that they can't give me another technician that's more capable of doing the job, I guess, or at least showing up when their staff say they're going to show up. I don't know. I'm frustrated. It's like 11:30 now. I don't know. Now I'm a day and a half behind and still waiting. So, and don't get me wrong, they have all the amenities that a driver could ever want when he's waiting on a repair. That's great. Maybe they should pull some of the money out of that and put it towards like hiring a communication person, staff that'll show up on time. I don't know, just an idea, because I mean, a lot of people would say, oh yeah, well, it's a tough industry and they're just doing their job. Well, I'm sitting here not doing my job. They're not going to give me a discount on this at all, but no accountability on the other end. I don't know. I was relaying my frustration to the guy that told me all this stuff, and he just walked away from me and went and got some other guy. So I'm assuming he's a manager. He didn't state his name or anything like that. Here, stay away from this place. If you want a place to hang out without an animal, man, they got all the amenities you can want. But if you actually want your truck repaired promptly and good communication and all of the above that we as professional truck drivers have to relay to everybody that's bestowed us the responsibility to actually get the job done. Like, if anybody from Transwest is watching this, I mean, they won't listen to my complaints or anything like that. It's like, oh yeah, we understand. Maybe if you don't care. Yeah, I don't know. Just a little bit of a warning. Stay away from this place. Drive, if you can. Have it towed a couple miles down the road to another place. There's plenty of repair shops here. This is definitely one of those corporate gigs that, I guess, maintain local fleets that have plenty of trucks that don't need their trucks promptly or something. I don't know. But yeah, that's all.